How to slow walk in Marvel Rivals. I'm going to tell you how to slow walk in Marvel Rivals in 2025. On consoles, it's super easy. Just gently move the left analog stick forward and your hero will walk slowly instead of running. It's great for cinematic moments, stealthier positioning, or when you're just vibing in the lobby with teammates. The pressure sensitivity of the stick controls your pace, so the softer you push, the slower you go. Now, if you're on PC with a keyboard, there's no native slow walk option yet. WASD only gives you full speed movement. If you really want the slower movement on PC, the workaround is to plug in a controller since the game supports full controller input. There have been whispers about modding it too, like trying tweaks from Nexus mods, but just a heads up, using mods in online matches can get you flagged or even banned. Use at your own risk and always check if it's safe before installing anything.